Hey everyone, 0635 here, and here's a video for TechPrism. This is his silver Sharp Image V2. This fella's in need of a lot of repairs. Well, for the basics, this leg's loose, which is a very common thing that happens with a lot. It's just the two screw pins, the plastic bits that hold them in there, they break off and they just fall out, so they're probably in the bottom of the foot. Missing battery cover, so I gotta see if I have any that I can spare. And of course he's yellowed, so I'm going to have to be very careful that nothing breaks. Or let me see. I think actually, well, I don't see anything majorly broken except for here's a piece you're missing. Hopefully that's fixable. Even if it's on this shovel hold on there, so it'll be fine in a way. But yeah. Gotta rewire it too, so stay tuned. I'll see you all in the next video.